mind, oh. Girl, I get the money, will fi make you mine, oh. If you love me every night, fi make you mad, oh. Now only you give me love and make me nice, oh, nice, oh, nice, oh. I fi make you mine, oh. When I love you, plus I never make you mine, oh.
Pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females need you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. Cause baby
I go pay for your love, I go pay, and they make it my DJs, I feel this for you every day. When you call, run it back on replay. For your love, I go pay. For your love, I go play. You got a psycho, you got traffic psycho. Baby, if you lazy, I go drive me psycho. Baby, every dirty, don't they make me mad, oh. Make you sing, sing to the mic. Girl, you are that looking in your eyes, oh. Show you many things you can utilize, oh. If I say I love you, then I tell you like so. Show you everything that I have tonight, oh. True that, make you utilize, oh. Y'all when we talk, we go revive, oh. Give you many things, we put them make you dance, oh. Y'all make you back up with the standing mic. It's going and he never call you back. You should leave him. Let me put some money in your bag. You don't need what I mean is if he do you bad, ain't no reason. It ain't where you been, girl, it's where you at, where you at. And I love you every day. Diamond dancing, the money I go pay. For your love, and they make it my days. When you go, run it back on replay. For your love, I will be. For your love, I will play.
yes, I rock your promise ring. Yes, I rock your promise, promise, promise. Yes, I rock your promise. Yes, I rock your promise ring. Yes, I rock your promise, promise, promise ring. Yes, I rock your promise. Yes, I rock your promise ring.
stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, baby, saying, baby, love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Get to taking that off me. Yeah. 'Cause I got the plug, I made the coffee. Talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just like you will. Come through and chill. Just like you will.
Shit, that's a good song.
Come through and chill.
Coach, can I tell us some real shit? Yeah. In case my lack of reply had you catching them feelings. Know you been on my mind like Kaepernick kneelings, or police killings, or Trump saying slick shit, manipulating poor white folks because they ignorant, blind to the struggles of the ones that got the pigment. Lately I've been stressing cause it seems so malignant. I need to feel your essence in my presence. If you with it, I guarantee you won't regret you did it.
Just you will come through and chill. Just like you will come through and chill. Just say you will. I wanna all night. Say it. I want all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I want all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Pick up the phone, show me what's real. Pick up the phone, show me what's real. Pick up the phone, show me what's real. Pick up the phone. Yeah.
Oh, you gon' guess. Yeah, right. Yeah, my mind. Yeah, my mind. I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 on my yard. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. Starting to give up, I've been fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right, yeah, I really need time now. I need to free my mind now. I really need mine now. I need to free my mind now. I really need time now. I need to free my mind now. I really need mine now. Oh, yeah.
If it wasn't for the money, cars, and movies, style, jewelry, and all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me? Would you still calling me? You be loving me? Loving you. If it wasn't for the money, cars, and movies, style, and jewelry, and all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me? Would you still calling me? You be loving me? Loving you.
I really need my love. I really need to free my love. I really need time. I need to free my mind out. I really need time. I really need to free my love. I really need time now. Oh, yeah. Set me free and any the open mind. Father to the asking now. Free in the ocean now. Yeah, yeah. To set me free. Now I need to find relief. Set me to the open sky. Now I need to free my mind. Hi, that is officially the end of this video, you guys. I want to say thank you for tuning in. My mom did actually enjoy this. She didn't know I was doing it, so it was a nice surprise. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And like I say, stay tuned for my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And be blessed. See you in my next one.